Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be explaining about the steering wheel on the Hyundai Exter. This is the Exter SX variant. This is also the same steering wheel which is on the top end variant as well. This has paddle shifters too, so I'm going to be explaining how to use that. So on the left spoke of the steering, you have the controls for the infotainment unit and the telephony. On the right spoke of the steering wheel, you have the controls for the multifunction display on the instrument cluster and your cruise control. So let me now explain what are the various functions of each button. So on the left spoke, you have buttons for the infotainment unit and the telephony. So this button is used for the voice command function, and it works only with your phone connected to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. It brings up Siri in Apple or the Google Assistant when your phone is connected to Android Auto when you press this button. Otherwise, it doesn't have any function, like how this unit throws up the warning. Call Jyoti Chechi mobile.
Calling Jyoti Chechi mobile.
That's that, and this is for changing the mode. Although this button can be used to customize how many modes of music do you want to cycle it through. Now for instance, I have both FM as well as I've plugged a pen drive here, as you can see. Now it will cycle between FM, and when I press the button, it cycles between the USB drive. This is FM, USB drive. If you have more modes of music, it will cycle between that. So that is as far as this mode is concerned. This is your volume rocker buttons. Press up to increase, keep it pressed to increase it, keep it pressed down to lower it, right? And this is when you press this button, it will mute the system as shown here, muted. The good thing is when you mute the music, it would also pause the music, so you haven't missed any of the track, right? That's a good method of muting. So pressing it would mute, press it once again to unmute, and this one is for cycling between the tracks. So that's basically your seek buttons. Go to the next one, and if you keep it pressed, it would seek. There you go. You can see it seeking every 4 seconds. So this button is for seeking the track. This is for answering a call. Long press it to cancel the call or hang up. So if you press once, you can receive the call. If you long press it, you can cancel it. One dab after you have attended the call would hang up. This is your favorites button. Whatever you have set it in your infotainment unit, it will bring that up. Now, I haven't set it for a specific purpose. So if you have it set in the infotainment unit, you can bring that function up. So that is as far as the left spoke is concerned. The controls on the left spoke are for telephony and infotainment system. Now let's come to the right one. So the controls on the right is for the cruise control. That is, this is for enabling cruise control. You can see the information come up there. Cruise control is only enabled when your car is above 30 kilometers per hour speed. You cannot set it at lower speeds in view of safety. So this is for enabling the cruise control. Press it once again to disable it. You can see the cruise mode go off. And once you enable cruise control and you set it, it will come up on the instrument cluster. I'll show that in a dedicated video. And these buttons, this is for the rocker buttons for setting the speed, right? And if you keep it pressed, you can gradually increase the speed, and that is why you have a plus symbol here. If you keep it pressed to the down, it will reduce the speed gradually. And once you have cruise control set and you want to resume the last set speed, just press to the top and it will resume the speed to the last set speed. Suppose you set it at 55 or 60 kilometers per hour, it would resume at that speed. Similarly, if you want to set the cruise control at a set speed, push the rocker button down and it will set it at that speed. Anyway, I'll explain it in a separate video so it is clear. And if you want to cancel the cruise control, just press cancel, or press on a slight dab on the brake would cancel it. So that is as far as these buttons are concerned. Now this one is for cycling through your information multifunction display on your cluster. Have a look. There you go. It would cycle between various functions, and you can use this rocker button to cycle between the current trip, since last resets, since last refueling, similarly between user settings. That's basically the navigation button. So if you want to go into convenience, press OK, OK, and back and back. So this button is used for cycling between the various multifunction information display on the instrument cluster. And you have the OK button to go into that specific setting. So that is as far as the buttons on the right spoke of the steering wheel goes. Additionally, the car also has paddle shifters located behind the steering wheel spoke. The right one is for upshifting, and this one here is for downshifting. You can use this in the drive mode as well as in the manual mode or the pseudo sports mode on the AMT vehicles. So in the drive mode, when you upshift and you don't change the gear, the car will automatically start shifting the gears. But in the manual mode, you are free to use the paddle shifters to upshift or downshift, but the car will not do the shifting on your behalf in the manual mode. Additionally, the steering wheel also permits you to, there's a lever on the steering wheel that will let you permit it to go up and down. It's not a telescopic steering, so you can't pull it, but you can adjust the angle of the steering wheel. The steering wheel on the Exter is also the self-centering type. That is, the steering wheel automatically returns to the straight ahead position after you take a turn. This is important because it enhances directional stability and reduces the driver effort. Check out this video that demonstrates the self-centering feature.
Continue on National Highway 785 for 1.5 kilometers.
Lovely steering wheel. Although it lacks a flat bottom, it doesn't, make it any less sporty. It's a lovely steering wheel.